Good morning, friends. Have you ever wondered why some people manage to accomplish more in a day than others? The secret lies in how they start their mornings. Today, we will talk about how to start your day correctly to make it as productive and positive as possible. Stay with us until the end of this video, and you'll learn the secrets of morning rituals that can improve the quality of your life. Don't switch off, because the best is yet to come. The first thing to focus on in the morning is waking up at the same time every day. A consistent sleep schedule helps your body get into the right rhythm. You've probably noticed that on weekends, when you sleep in, you often feel more tired. This happens because of a disruption in your biological clock. Try waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. After waking up, the first thing you should do is drink a glass of water. Your body loses fluids overnight, and it's important to replenish them in the morning. Water kickstarts your metabolism, improves the functioning of your internal organs, and helps detoxify your body. You can add a bit of lemon juice to your water for an extra boost. Morning exercise is another crucial element for a successful start to the day. You don't need to do a full workout. A light warm-up or a short yoga session will suffice. Physical activity helps wake up the body, improve blood circulation, and charge you with energy for the whole day. Try doing simple exercises like stretches, bends, or a few yoga poses. Don't forget about breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day and should be nutritious and balanced. Oatmeal with fruit, yogurt with granola, or an omelet with vegetables are great options for a healthy and tasty breakfast. Breakfast helps improve concentration and productivity, and maintains your energy levels throughout the day. Include meditation or mindfulness practice in your morning routine. This will help you set a positive tone for the day and manage stress. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Even 5-10 minutes of meditation can significantly improve your well-being and mood. One of the most effective ways to start a productive day is planning. Make it a habit to create a plan for the day in the morning. Write down all the important tasks and appointments and prioritize them. This will help you stay on track throughout the day and follow your set path. Remember to start each day with the most important and challenging tasks, while you still have plenty of energy. Reading in the morning is a great habit that helps you set a productive tone for the day. It can be a few pages of a book, an article in a magazine, or an interesting news piece. The key is to choose something that inspires and motivates you. Reading helps develop the brain, improve focus, and broaden your horizons. Morning is the perfect time for personal development. Study a new language, listen to an educational podcast, or take an online course. Regular learning helps keep your brain sharp and develop new skills that can be useful in the future. Don't forget to take care of yourself in the morning. Take a shower, use your favorite skincare products, and take care of your skin. These simple actions will help you feel more confident and comfortable. A crucial aspect of morning rituals is positive thinking. Start your day with gratitude. Think of 3 things you are thankful for. It can be anything: your family, job, health, or the weather outside. Positive thinking helps you set yourself up for success and handle difficulties. Include music in your morning routine. Choose your favorite tracks that lift your mood and energize you. Music can change our emotional state and motivate us to achieve new goals. If you have pets, spend some time with them in the morning. Playing and caring for pets helps you relax and sets a positive tone. Moreover, interacting with animals reduces stress levels and improves mood. You can turn breakfast into a family ritual. Spend this time with your loved ones, talk, and discuss plans for the day. Family breakfasts strengthen relationships and create a positive mindset for the whole day. Plan your morning rituals in advance. Prepare your clothes, pack your bag, and make breakfast the night before. This will save you time in the morning and help you avoid rush and stress. Create your ideal morning. Experiment with different rituals and find the ones that work best for you. Remember that the most important thing is your sense of happiness and harmony. Share your morning rituals with others. Tell your friends and colleagues what helps you start your day right. You might inspire them to make changes to their morning routine. Start your morning with good deeds. Help a neighbor, compliment a colleague, or send a supportive message to a friend. Good deeds bring joy not only to others, but also to yourself. It's important to remember that morning rituals are not an obligation, but an opportunity to start the day with joy and pleasure. Don't turn them into a strict routine. Leave room for flexibility and improvisation. Every day is a new chance for growth and development. Start your morning right, and you'll see how your life changes. Morning rituals help you set a positive tone, increase productivity, and improve the quality of your life. Thank you for watching this video until the end. We hope our tips will help you make your mornings more productive and joyful. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment. Share this video with your friends and loved ones so they can learn the secrets of a successful start to the day too. See you in the next video, and may every morning be filled with energy and inspiration.